Have you ever been in danger before or feared someone's harm towards you? There is a dua the Prophet ﷺ taught us to say to be saved from someone's danger. May Allah protect us, Ya Rabbil Alameen. What is this dua? Before I tell you, this dua is actually very short. It makes sense. I'm in danger. I'm fearing someone's harm, whether it's a human being or even an animal attacking me. A very short dua. This dua, the Prophet ﷺ, don't forget to say sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He himself said it when he was being chased by Suraq ibn Malik. He was trying to hunt him down and capture him. The Prophet was wanted dead or alive. Then the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that dua, and what happened to Suraqa? He fell off the horse. Though Suraqa is one of the best knights of Mecca. Allahu Akbar. It's the same dua, a young boy who was kidnapped and he was taken by a group of soldiers to the top of a mountain. He was terrified and it was scary and he was in danger. And he made this dua. What happened? The mountain shook. Every soldier fell and the boy survived. It's the same dua that boy said when he was kidnapped and captured and was taken through a boat by a group of soldiers. He said the dua, the boat rocked, the waves took place, all the soldiers and the enemies fell and the boy survived. What is that dua? It is the following. Allahumma, O Allah, ikfinihim, protect me and suffice me from these people against their evil, bima shit, however you want. Allahumma ikfinihim bima shit. You say this dua, trust Allah, He will save you and Allah will protect you. Write down in the comments below if you ever faced such dangerous situation or you feared something. What was it like? May Allah protect you and bless you and make you remember this dua in case you encounter something like that in the future. Wassalamu alaikum.